Hey guys, so I just wanted to show y'all real quick how I make my thumbnails using canva.com. It's free. You could go make an account and you can make your thumbnails. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So when we're in our Canva here, we can go to create. If YouTube thumbnail doesn't come up for you, then you can just type it in the top and just type YouTube thumbnail. So we're gonna click on that. It's gonna open this window here. And so I'm pretty much gonna recreate one of the ones I've done. So like I'll take screenshots from my gameplay to make pretty cool looking thumbnails. And so here is one of them that I have done recently. So we'll pretty much, I'll zoom in a good bit. You want to cover the screen pretty much here, and that looks good. So now we're going to go to our text. We're going to add a text box. Up here we can pick a font. So depending on what kind of video you're making, you kind of want to match the font to the vibe of the video. That's what I try to do. And so the one that I like to use for my videos is called Cinzel. And so you can search them up here at the top. I'm going to put the Cinzel in here. And this video was called The Sands of Karak. So this is going to be our title here. I like to make it bold so it stands out more. Then you want to kind of fit it to the top. You don't want it to take up too much space. We can go ahead and change the color. I like to do brighter colors. So you could either do like a white, or you could do like a light gray even, or you could just do whatever color you want. Really, it doesn't really matter. Anyways, now we can go to effects here. I like to do the outline effect and make the outline black so you can really kind of see the letters really good. It looks really nice and clean. Then we're gonna go and add another text box over here. And so now it's gonna copy our font. And this one I'm gonna put 100% guide because that was what this video was. So we're gonna go to our effects, give it the outline. And on this one, I like to change the color up a little bit, and we'll put it red. So put that down here. Now, then you could go to your uploads, and this is where you'll upload your own files and assets to add to your thumbnail. So for this one, I use this here. This is one of the bosses that you fight in this map. So I put this over here. You can kind of fit it to where it just looks good. Then we're gonna go over here, and I had another asset that I used. Here it is. This is one of the things you can get on this level, so we'll put that in the corner there. And this is pretty much gonna be the thumbnail. Pretty quick to make. You can kind of do it however you want, just kind of give it an aesthetic, you know. You can mess around and try different things. YouTube has that feature where you can upload, I think, 2 thumbnails, and it'll try both of them to see which one is better. So that's another thing you could do. If one doesn't work, you could try to add another one and see if that does better. Anyways, that's how I do it. I hope this can help someone with Canva. Or now, if y'all got any secret sauce, drop it in the comments and let me know, and so other people can also see that. Anyways, with that, that's gonna be it, guys. If you want to see some more content on how I edit my videos or what other softwares that I use, let me know. I use recording software and editing software as well, but this is just how I make my thumbnails, and I think they look pretty good. So what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.